In English, we might say, today is a terrible day. Well, in ASL, we can go like this. Let's talk about how to sign today, terrible day. Here's the sign for today. Okay, if you know how to sign now, you're going to be like, well, that's very similar. And yes, it is. We're literally going to be signing now. And this is a version for today. From the side, today. Other side. Front again. Okay, an alternate version for today is to go like this. All right, so that would be now, day. How do you sign day? Well, non-dominant hand, put that platform, make a pointer finger, index finger, put your elbow on top, and just go down. Day. So that would be now, day, the alternate version for today. To be consistent throughout this course, I'll be signing today like this. Today. All right. Terrible. Here is a sign for terrible. Just going to use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Pretend there's a bug or something. You're going to flick it or flick someone, whatever. That's the motion. Just flick out your middle finger. Now add in the facial expression to really show that it's terrible and that you're not just flicking things, right? Terrible. Terrible. Okay, from the side. Other side. All right, now if it's horrible, like really bad, just emphasize, embellish your body and facial expressions. Oh, I almost died. It's terrible. Okay. Here's the sign for a day. Do you remember? We actually did it as the alternate sign part of today. Day. Day. Right? So I'm right-handed, non-dominant hand. That flat hand, put it down there. It's like our horizon. Index finger, this is like our sun. Putting the elbow on top there, and the day is over. Day. Day. From the side. Other side. Front again. Okay. We know all the signs. We've went over them. Let's do it together. Sign with me. Let's go nice and slow. Today. Terrible. Facial expression. Terrible. Day. Right, here we go. Today. Terrible day. All right, let's speed up. Okay, in this lesson we talked about how to sign today, terrible day.